Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful baby stone crafts ideas. So I hope you are enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is weavers. So friends, stone candle holder arrange smooth bubbles around a glass candle jar using strong glue. When you light the candles, the natural stone create a warm and relaxing atmosphere. Another lovely project is a bevel photo frame. Decorate an old wooden frame with small stone. You can use white, gray, black or colorful bevels to match your room style. This is great way to recycle old frame. And weavers, my next idea is weavers. Stone coaster include flat pebbles into a crock or wooden base. This handmade coaster protects your table and add a natural touch to your home. And weavers, bevel family picture. Arrange small stone to look like people sitting together on a tree branch. Add simple line with the marker or paint to complete the artwork. This idea also make a thoughtful handmade gift. And friends, my next idea is weavers. I hope you are enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Take care.